Here's what I started with on this vanity and tile top. So the first step is to tear it apart and get it out.
Unfortunately, when this was plumbed so many years ago, they didn't put shutoffs on the hot and cold water line. So I had to shut the main water line off. And I'll check it from the faucet above, open them up to drain out any water. Make sure it's indeed shut off. And now I can go ahead and unattach the plumbing here. Your trap, P-trap might hold some water in it. So a good idea to have a bucket handy.
Without any shutoff valves, I'll need to cut off this fitting with my tubing cutter, and then I'll solder on some copper caps so that I can turn the water back on and then continue working this remodel. It was quite a job getting this old vanity out because it was all built in place. I couldn't even remove the top before I had to take apart the sides and each piece one by one. When you position the vanity, be sure you allow enough room on both ends for the overhang of the vanity top. And then use your level to make sure the vanity is plumb and level. You need to use some shims on the back when you secure it to the wall. The easiest way to attach the sink fixture is to flip over the vanity top and then follow the directions to attach this fixture. Use a small amount of silicone to attach the top to the base. I'll use construction adhesive to attach the backsplash to the wall. Hopefully, reconnecting your plumbing underneath the sink will be easier for you than it was for me. Usually all you have to do is connect the hot and cold water lines to both the shutoff valves and then reconnect the P-trap. In my case, I had to solder on those shutoff valves, and then when reconnecting the P-trap, the pipe broke off by the wall. So I had a little extra work ahead of me, but eventually got it all set up and the job is done. 11 days ago, my parents left on a trip. The following day, I arrived to start on this bathroom remodeling surprise project. I just went to pick them up from the airport earlier today.
Okay.
And so now, it's time for the big reveal.
Oh my goodness! I can't believe
It's
it.
unbelievable. Yeah.
I cannot believe it. This is wonderful. Oh my goodness. This is
Look at the built-in lights.
wonderful.
How did you do all of that?
Unbelievable.
Huh?
This is gorgeous. Oh, look at that. Look at the tile. Look at. Oh, and look at the shower. Oh my goodness. Oh, you got a shower curtain and everything here.
Ooh-wee.
Wow, this looks like just a different house.